Hi, welcome to the Vantop Moment 6S Specification Series. This is the just released Vantop Moment 6S action camera. It is a cylindrical box with the camera up top and all the accessories hidden inside. Here is the camera and the accessories out of the box. We have the camera with the waterproof case and all the accessories around it. There are 3 ways of mounting. This is what they look like. Here's the camera out of the case. On the front, we can see the lens and a couple of LEDs, which are indicators of battery and Wi-Fi. Details of status are displayed in this LCD screen. Here's the USB-C port, which is suitable for both charging the battery and for the mic. The battery and memory card go down here. And finally, here's the power button and the shutter.
Welcome to the Garmin Verb XE and the Verb X How-To series. This video will guide you through the basics of using your Verb camera for the first time. Before use, you must install a Class 10 or faster memory card and the included battery. You should also install the included desiccant pack to reduce fog accumulation. To open the cover, first release the latch and then open the cover. You must install a memory card before you can use your device. With the metal contacts facing the lens, insert the memory card into the memory card slot and press until it clicks in place. You must also install the battery before you can use the device. Insert the battery contacts first into the device and press until it's secure. Finally, you can insert the included desiccant pack for fog resistance. First, insert the pack into the tray, and then insert the tray into the device. Now charge the device before using it for the first time. To connect the charging cable, align the post on the charger with the contacts on the side of the device, and press until the charger clicks in place. Connect the charging cable to an open USB port on your computer to begin charging the device. The device is compatible with an assortment of mounting options, some of which are included, and others can be purchased from your Garmin dealer or Garmin.com. To connect the device to a mount, insert the device into the mount or adapter. Insert a thumb screw in the larger opening. Adjust the angle of the device and tighten the thumb screw. You're now ready to use your camera. To record video on the device, push the recording switch forward. The LED flashes red when video is recording. To stop recording video, pull the recording switch back. The LED turns green when the device is not recording. To take a still image, press the camera key. You can view important device, video, and photo information on the screen. The battery meter shows the remaining battery capacity. The video camera icon is followed by the time remaining on the memory card for video recorded at the current resolution. The camera icon is followed by the number of photos remaining on the memory card for photos taken at the current resolution. To prolong battery life, turn the device off when not in use. Hold the power button for about 3 seconds. To avoid data loss, you should always power off the device before removing the battery. For more information and tips on how to use your Verb device, check out the other videos in this series.
learning that a lot of my neighbors like to walk around their apartments naked. So.
Twitch.
Okay.
Wow.
I'm gonna tune back in once we get back down. That right there, folks, is how it's done.